Hi. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I will show you the best online money-making platform. Let's get started. Number 1, Fiverr. Fiverr is the top earning platform. Fiverr is a global online marketplace for freelance services. Number 2, Upwork. Upwork comes after Fiverr in earning online. Upwork Global Incorporated, formerly Alanzodesk, is an American freelancing platform. Number 3, People Per Hour. People Per Hour, legally People Per Hour Limited, is a UK-based company whose function is as an online platform giving businesses access to freelance workers. Number 4, Guru.com. Guru.com is a freelance marketplace. It allows companies to find freelance workers for commissioned work. Founded in 1998. And the last one, Workchest. Workchest is a freelance marketplace where employers can hire Pakistani freelancers for online work. Thanks for watching.